Are you feeling uncertain about your financial future? Eager to secure a prosperous retirement? You've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to share 9 proven strategies that can elevate your retirement income and enable you to live the life you've always envisioned. The golden years should be a period of relaxation and enjoyment, but for many, it can be a source of stress and uncertainty. That's why it's vital to have a robust plan in place to enhance your income during your retirement years. Whether you're nearing retirement or just starting to plan for it, these strategies can significantly impact your financial health. From optimizing your Social Security benefits to investing in income-producing assets, we'll walk you through a variety of methods to enhance your retirement income. You'll understand the power of diversification, explore ways to generate passive income, and learn effective wealth management techniques. Don't let retirement take you by surprise. With these tried and tested strategies, you can take charge of your financial future and enjoy a prosperous retirement. So, let's get started and begin building a brighter tomorrow today. Retirement is a stage of transition, and it's imperative to ensure that your income can support the lifestyle you desire. Many retirees underestimate their expenses and overestimate their retirement savings, leading to financial stress. By enhancing your retirement income, you can achieve peace of mind and enjoy the retirement you've always wanted. One of the primary reasons to focus on enhancing your retirement income is the rising cost of living. Over time, inflation diminishes the purchasing power of your savings, making it essential to have additional income sources to keep up with expenses. Plus, unexpected healthcare costs or emergencies can rapidly drain your savings, making it even more vital to have a strong retirement income. Before you can start enhancing your retirement income, it's crucial to assess your current financial situation. Start by examining your existing retirement savings, including any 401k plans, IRAs, or other investment accounts. Determine how much income these savings can generate during your retirement years. Next, calculate your projected Social Security benefits. Visit the Social Security Administration's website or use their online calculators to estimate your monthly benefit based on your work history and projected retirement age. This will give you a clearer picture of your guaranteed income from Social Security. Finally, consider any other sources of income you may have during retirement. This could include rental property income, dividends from stocks, or part-time work. By understanding your current retirement income sources, you can plan better for the future and identify areas where you can enhance your income. Saving for retirement is a vital step in securing a prosperous future. If you're still in the workforce and have several years until retirement, make the most of retirement savings accounts like a 401k or IRA. Maximize your contributions to these accounts to benefit from tax advantages and potential employer matches. Consider automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your retirement accounts. This way, you won't have to rely on remembering to save each month, and you'll be consistently contributing to your retirement fund. Remember, it's never too late to start saving for retirement. Even if you're getting a late start, every dollar saved can make a significant difference in the long run. Social Security can be a significant income source during your retirement. Are you making the most of it? Let's delve into some strategies to maximize your Social Security benefits. The timing of when you claim these benefits is a crucial factor. You can start receiving Social Security as early as age 62, but the longer you wait, the higher your monthly payout will be. Have you ever thought about investing as a way to enhance your retirement income? If not, then it's time to consider it. Investing in income-producing assets can play a significant role in improving your financial health during your golden years. Remember, A well-diversified investment portfolio can be a game changer for your retirement income. It's all about wisely putting your money to work so that it can generate a steady income for you during your retirement years. Now, that's a strategy worth considering.